Hello, YouTube family. This is Jane, and she is sitting with me on the couch, and we are going to open up the May Tea, Pray, Love Coffee Edition box. So, are you ready to help me, Janie? Huh? You want to get in on the action? Okay, let's do the unboxing. So, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. This is the coffee edition of Tea, Pray, Love that I'm very happy to say was sent to me. Hopefully going to become part of the unboxing group for Tea, Pray, Love. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. I do want to say very thoughtfully and very sincerely, thank you so much, Tea, Pray, Love, for sending me this box to review on the channel. Okay, let's get started. Hi guys, it is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. I have my first Tea, Pray, Love box to show you. This is the coffee edition. Tea, Pray, Love is a bi-monthly subscription that you can get with curated teas or curated coffees. There's a regular artisan box and there's a premier box, which is what I'm going to show you today. The premier box contains usually just one item extra, one or two items extra than the regular box. This is the May box, which is sold out, and if you sign up for notifications at their website, you will get notified when the July box goes on sale. And if you are interested, I do have a coupon code for 10% off called Jane. I will leave the link down below. So I did take a little peek. I got this actually a few weeks ago, and I've been very sick. If you watched any of my other videos, I unfortunately got COVID from, I believe, from an airplane, but I'm feeling a lot better these days, and I'm coming around, and yeah, I do feel so much better. And so, but I did take a little peek at it, and this is the box that you get, and it is chocked full of things. You do get a brochure. It does say it's the May 2023 box, and it explains every item that you are going to receive in the box with the associated pricing. And here is just a quick peek again. I love either coffee or tea. I drink both constantly, and it's a reflection on my teeth. And so it really didn't matter to me if I received the coffee or the tea box, and I was pleasantly surprised to see I got the coffee box. And this is right on top. It's actually a really pretty drawstring bag. I use these baggies when I travel. I put my jewelry in here and I put it in my purse. So this one is really pretty. It has purple with the moon and the stars. And inside here is Casa coffee. It's small batch craft coffee. They're two single serve decaf coffees. So you can, feeling the need for a coffee break, maybe it's getting towards evening, you don't want to have the caffeine, this is perfect. Or if you just don't want the caffeine period in the morning, I'm interested in trying this. And it says mix with hot or cold water, so I suppose you could make an iced coffee with this as well. And then they put in two 1.5 ounce packages of Door Country coffee. This one is 100% Colombian, mellow body and smooth. And this one is bourbon vanilla cream. Notes of sweet vanilla and oak barrel aged bourbon. And one bag, each bag will make a full pot of coffee. So that is awesome. And then to go along with your coffee, every box will get this. This is, I did not open it, so I'm pretty excited to see this, but I saw this on my friend Sue's channel because she unboxes this as well. Reviews of Sue, if you want to go see her wonderful channel. I saw her unbox this and I was like, wow, that is really sweet, and I don't want to break it. It says, spill the tea. And it's a 13 ounce tea mug. I like me a good mug. And it comes with a little top. so you can keep your tea or coffee nice and warm. Mine are always getting cold and I'm always running to the microwave and heating it up. And if you don't want to use it to keep in the warmth of the tea or coffee, it's a coaster. How cute is that? And it has a really pretty pattern of flowers and then the coffee mug. This coffee mug, I wonder if it's dishwasher safe. I'm just looking at it. It says hand wash only, and it says do not microwave. And I believe that the reason why I thought that is because of the gold leaf on here. You definitely don't want to put this in the microwave or the dishwasher, so definitely add this to your hand washing. So this is so lovely. I love this. Love it, love it, love it. Put it over here. My cat, she ran away. She didn't want anything to do with the video. She's like that. I thought I would catch her though. Then we got some really luxurious body butter. It's called Neroli and Tangerine Essential Oils in it. It's by Bubble Tea, Soothing Body Butter. It is over 7 ounces in here. So this will last me quite a while. And it says it's suitable for vegans. So let's just take a quick look at this. It comes with a nice cap on it. And let me see what it smells like. Now it has been on its side, so it's definitely shifted a little bit. Oops. I'm not going to open it all the way. What I'm going to do, it is very buttery, by the way. Let's try a little bit. Ooh, that smells so good. I'm going to let it sit for a while and let gravity bring the body butter down into the vessel of this container. But I can tell you, it smells and feels very luxurious. This is definitely something I'm going to keep on my nightstand next to my bed. Very nice. And I have been battling with this strange rashes on my hands. You notice I'm not wearing any of my rings. I think I'm getting some type of eczema. So I am interested to see if this helps my skin, hopefully temporary skin condition. I never had this before. All right, I digress. What else do we have here? Ooh, this is nice. It's by Bubble Tea, same people that made the body butter. This is a sleep mask, lavender and lemon essential oils. It's a night night sleep mask. Oh, nighty night, duh, get it. Nighty night sleep mask, and it is one here, and you put it on for 20 minutes. And I just love lavender, and I love to, you know, spoil myself. Hopefully you like to spoil yourself too, right? We should all spoil ourselves. And then to help us relax into the evening is a blueberry lavender flavored sleepy chocolate formulated to promote sweet slumber. So this nice chocolate in here. Blueberry flavored. Oh, I love it. You're supposed to enjoy 2 squares or more as desired for sweet slumber. Limit to no more than 2 bars in one day. Oh, maybe 2 little bars. I couldn't see eating a whole thing of these one day in one sitting, but you know, stranger things have happened. This has 60% cacao. So that looks very yummy. Like I said, I love chocolate. And we got one of these Vitamasks Amethyst Clay Mask. I've actually used these before, and I'm glad it says 5 applications, because this will last you at least 5 applications. You put it, you know, on your skin and then wash it off after probably, oh yeah, it's a wash off clay mask. Cool. I'm just seeing how long you keep it on your skin for. Doesn't really say. Oh well. I'll Google it. But this, like I said, will last at least 5 times, if not more. And it has a nice little cap here so you could reseal it. And to help us get into that nighttime slumber is a Kala Relaxing Sleep Mask. It says it's lavender infused. And I don't know about you, but I love me a good sleep mask. I've been living at my mom's house. It's an apartment, and we have these outdoor lights off the breezeway here that sometimes, you know, get in my way when I'm trying to get some sleep, some shut-eye. So I am going to try this tonight. And it does smell really nice. It has a nice satin material. Very nice. So there you go. Then there's two other things. So this is what comes in the premium box. We got a book. It is called Midnight Meditations. Calm your thoughts, still your body, and return to sleep. This book has 150 exercises designed to help you fall asleep. Don't you hate when you wake up in the middle of the night? Maybe you have to go to the bathroom real quickly, and then it can take you like forever to fall asleep. This book will help you fall asleep. It has different exercises, because this is all up here, all mind thing, to help get you back in that unconscious world of sleep, where your body needs to rest and your brain needs to rest. I like this book because I just like the feel and the size of it, number one, and it's hardcover. And this is the kind of book you can put in your purse and take with you. If you're at a doctor's office waiting, and you know, want something to read and go through, because there are 150 ways, you can try these ways. Or you can make it a game and just go, tonight I'm going to do this. And this one is called Count Your Breaths. So that is the book, which I'm really digging, because me and sleep lately, it's been a challenge. And this came in, so this was not inside the little handout, but I know what this is. These are little tabs. These are book tabs, and I'm just wondering why it was in my box, but that's okay. I'm not arguing about it. They're really cool. There's different not sleep tabs. Oh my goodness. Little tabs with the stickiness on it. So they can make a good, like, if you need a quick bookmark, it just sticks to the page just like that. But I just don't know if this was a mistake or something intentional to be included in the box. So if it was a mistake, it's definitely a very, very, very nice mistake. So a quick recap, I got these little tabs for books or planners. I have the Midnight Meditations book, 150 Ways to Calm Your Body, Your Mind, and Go to Sleep. The lavender infused mask, really nice. Then we got this great body butter by, what was this brand again? Bubble Tea body butter. The face mask, which I really need one of these. And the Sleepy Time chocolate. The sleep mask, lavender infused facial mask. Got 2 pots of coffee here, and the 2 decaf coffees, and the signature mug. Spill the tea with the cover or the coaster. So thank you so much, Tea Pray Love, for sending me this box for my review. I was tickled pink to review this box, and hopefully I can review future ones. If you want 10% off your box, I'll leave a link and a code down below, or you can just use the direct link. It should give you 10% off your box. I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend, and if you haven't joined my YouTube family, just hit that subscribe button. I so appreciate it. And, you know, comment below, tell me where you're from or what your thoughts are of the box, or just come by and say hello. Anyway, I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.